Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Okay, my name is Selfi Qudrotun Nada. In this video, I would like to tell you about sh sound. And we will talking about how to produce the sh sound correctly. And also, I will give you some examples. Here we go. The sh sound is voiceless palato-alveolar fricative. It made by disrupting the air flow by bunching up the mouth. The sh sound on the chart is shown in blue, which means it is unvoiced or voiceless. So everyone, to support this adorable consonant, let's find out how to make it correctly. Slightly open your mouth and round your lips. You might push them out a little. Now, focus on your tongue and raise it to the roof of your mouth, but don't touch it. Make sure there is a small gap between them. Next, release a stream of air over your tongue. When the air flows between the blade of your tongue and the roof of your mouth, it will create lots of noise, like this. Now, let's talking about letter combination. And the letter combination for sh sound are number 1, T. Like in the word station, option. SH, like in the word she, wish. C, delicious, ocean. S, for sugar and pressure. And the last one, CH, like a chef and machine. After we talking about what is sh sound, how to produce it, and the letter combination, let's practice. Okay, I will say the word and you have to repeat after me, okay? Here we go. Blush. Finish. Short. Wash. Chicago. And the last, function. Oh, that's great! Now, how about the sentences? Let's try it. Okay, the first one. I assure you sheep have a measurable consciousness. Okay, the last. She sells seashells by the seashore. Hopefully you got the idea there. Have a go and practice at home. For this video, I really hope it's helped you with the sh sound. And the last, I hope you have a lovely day and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.